Now, for years, Umatilla residents have been asking the city for an outdoor skating rink during the holidays. Their wish finally came true with an eco-friendly twist. Our Madeline Hagan tells us what sets this rink apart from all the rest.
You won't find ice or Zambonis here.
It's not water, no.
This rink is made by Glice.
It's actually pretty fun.
You can hockey stomp on it. Figure skaters can pretty much do any kind of standard jump.
Umatilla City Manager David Stockdale says residents have been asking about a skating rink for years.
We couldn't quite bring real ice skating rink, very costly, very expensive, but this was a really great alternative solution for that.
It looks and glides like real ice. Founded by hockey player and engineer Tony Vera, CEO Mark Winter explains how it's made.
We basically put the polymers, what are called the resins, inside a mold and under high pressure and temperature, compress them.
The boards then lock together to create a rink the size of the owner's choosing. Winter says it's an environmentally friendly option that doesn't eat up electricity and gallons of water.
To have a great skating experience without all the water, without all of the compressors and all of the equipment, without all of the environmental problems that come with refrigerants.
You may be thinking, won't it get scratched? But the polymers release a lubricant to keep skating smooth.
But when you start to skate on it, it scores, and that actually releases more of the lubricant that is embedded in the surface. But the scoring only goes so far.
First-time skater Isela Sandoval says it's just nice to have something like this to feel the holiday cheer.
Well, my mom wanted us to have fun for Christmas this year and wanted to have family fun.
No matter how many times she and her friends fall. In Umatilla, for KVU Local News, I'm Madeline Hagan.
Now, Winter says their company has a zero carbon footprint, and for every board sold, they plant a tree in a deforested part of the world. Yes, you can have a personal rink in your backyard if you desire. Jeff, it's been getting cold enough. You might have a personal rink in your backyard anyway.